Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on computer fundamentals. This is part 3rd. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Which of the following devices can be used to directly image printed text? A. OCR, B. OMR, C. MICR, D. All. Correct option is A. OCR. 2. The output quality of a printer is measured by A. Dot per inch, B. Dot per square inch, C. Dots printed per unit time, D. All. Correct option is B. Dot per square inch. 3. In analog computer, A. Input is first converted to digital form, B. Input is never converted to digital form, C. Output is displayed in digital form, or D. All. Correct option is B. Input is never converted to digital form. 4. In latest generation computers, the instructions are executed A. Parallel only, B. Sequentially only, C. Both sequentially and parallel, or D. All. Correct option is C. Both sequentially and parallel. 5. Who designed the first electronics computer ENIAC? A. Van Neumann, C. Joseph M. Jacquard, C. J. Presper Eckert and John W. Maudsley, D. All. Correct option is C. J. Presper Eckert and John W. Maudsley. 6. Who invented the high-level language C? A. Dennis M. Ritchie, B. Nicholas Rith, C. Seymour Papert, D. Donald Kunt. Correct option is A. Dennis M. Ritchie. 7. Personnel who design, program, operate and maintain computer equipment refers to A. Console operator, B. Programmer, C. Peopleware, D. System analyst. Correct option is C. Peopleware. 8. When did ARC rivals IBM and Apple Computers Inc. decide to join hands? A. 1978, B. 1984, C. 1990, or D. 1991. Correct option is D. 1991. 9. Human beings are referred to as Homo sapiens. Which device is called Silico sapiens? A. Monitor, B. Hardware, C. Robot, D. Computer. Correct option is D. Computer. 10. An error in software or hardware is called a bug. What is the alternative computer jargon for it? A. Leech, B. Squid, C. Slug, D. Glitch. Correct option is D. Glitch. 11. Modern computers are very reliable, but they are not A. Fast, B. Powerful, C. Infallible, D. Cheap. Correct option is C. Infallible. 12. What is the name of the display feature that highlights are of the screen which requires operator attention? A. Pixel, B. Reverse video, C. Touch screen, D. Cursor. Correct option is B. Reverse video. 13. Personal computers use a number of chips mounted on a main circuit board. What is the common name for such boards? A. Daughter board, B. Motherboard, C. Fatherboard, or D. Breadboard. Correct option is B. Motherboard. 14. The system unit of a personal computer typically contains all of the following except A. Microprocessor, B. Disk controller, C. Serial interface, or D. Modem. Correct option is D. Modem. 15. In most IBM PCs, the CPU, the device drivers, memory expansion slots and active components are mounted on a single board. What is the name of this board? A. Motherboard, B. Breadboard, C. Daughter, or D. Grandmotherboard. Correct option is A. Motherboard. 16. What is meant by a dedicated computer? A. Which is used by one person only, B. Which is assigned one and only one task, C. Which uses one kind of software, D. Which is meant for application software. Correct option is B. Which is assigned one and only one task. 17. A computer program that converts an entire program into machine language is called A. or an A. Interpreter, B. Simulator, C. Compiler, D. Commander. Correct option is C. Compiler. 18. A computer program that translates one program instructions at a time into machine language is called A. An interpreter, B. CPU, C. Compiler, D. Simulator. Correct option is A. Interpreter. 19. A small or intelligent device is so called because it contains within it A. Computer, B. Microcomputer, C. Programmable, D. Sensor. Correct option is D. Sensor. 20. A fault in a computer program which prevents it from working correctly is known as A. Boot, B. Bug, C. Biff, D. Strap. Correct option is B. Bug. 21. A self-replicating program similar to a virus which has taken from a 1970s science fiction novel by John Burner entitled The Shockwave Rider is A. Bug, B. Virus, C. Lice, D. Worm. Correct option is D. Worm. 22. A state is a bistable electronic circuit that has A. Multi-vibrator, B. Flip-flop, C. Logic gates, D. Latin. Correct option is B. Flip-flop. 23. Unwanted repetitious messages such as unsolicited bulk email is known as A. Spam, B. Trash, C. Calibri, D. Courier. Correct option is A. Spam. D. DOS stands for A. Disk operating system, B. Disk operating session, C. Digital operating system, or D. Digital open system. Correct option is A. Disk operating system. 25. Who is the chief of Microsoft? A. Babbage, B. Bill Gates, C. Bill Clinton, D. None. Correct option is B. Bill Gates. 26. Which of the following are input devices? A. Keyboard, B. Mouse, C. Card reader, D. Any of these. Correct option is C. Any of these. 27. Examples of output devices are A. Screen, B. Printer, C. Speaker, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 28. Which of the following is also known as brain of computer? A. Control unit, B. CPU, that is central processing unit, or D. Arithmetic and language unit, C or D. Monitor. Correct option is B. Central processing unit. 29. IBM stands for A. Correct option is C. International Business Machines. 30. Dash translates and executes program at runtime line by line. A. Compiler, B. Interpreter, C. Linker, D. Loader. Correct option is B. Interpreter. All about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.